Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the Selene Luxury Residences in Uptown Dallas. The Selene Luxury Residences in Uptown Dallas. And we're walking around. I wanted to show off this just gorgeous area. This is the parking, and you can see how big it is. It's a huge parking area. So cars would come through here and park in here. The lobby is right over there. We're gonna go in there in just a minute, see that beautiful lobby. But there's some guest spots that are right here. So guests can come in, just openly in and out at any time. There's probably about maybe 10 spots, 10 to 12 that are open in there. And then here is actually the for resident only garage. This is a really nicely protected garage. You go in and out. It does roll up and roll down. It's a great, it's the most modern kind of garage opening, so I really love seeing that. That's there too. And this is the parking you would have. You would have access into that garage. Typically, there's also reserved spots, and I'll try to find out more about that when I talk to them, and maybe mention that in another video, how much those might cost. But anyway, this is the parking situation, and it's a very elegant hotel. So now we're about to go walk in and film the lobby and talk to folks so we can tour. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below.